Welcome back to Ed's Weekend Adventures. Today, gutter guards.
It's been a minute since I put a video on this channel, but every now and then you find a product you just have to share. Now, my gutters on my roof have been a big problem because of this. Trees everywhere, as you can see. And those trees shed leaves and seeds. I got maples, I got oaks, so you could imagine. And I found this product, this gutter guard. Now, I have tried everything, okay? I tried the foams, I tried the plastics, and none of it worked more than 2 years. And then you pick it up and there's crap underneath. But I found this stuff and I think it's gonna work. Let me show you. Okay, it looks like this right here. It's stainless steel. And I got this section pretty much, I'm almost done with the roof now. So I wanted to wait till I was done to see how bad of a job it would be. Not bad, I'll tell you what, it went pretty good for me. I cut mine with the tin snips with no problem. Now you wanna make sure and wear gloves. I tend not to, and you're gonna cut your hands up because this stuff is stainless steel and it is sharp. So, and if you're old like me and you haven't done this your whole life, don't go climbing ladders and falling off and blaming me, okay? So be careful out there. But these companies that come in and put these guards on your gutter are as expensive as all get out, and I've done this my whole life. So like I said, I've changed these about every 2 years, and I've not been happy with any product. But when I put these on, I'm like, this is going to work. Even if I have to get up here and blow the big old leaves off, you know, they're gonna lay on top, of course, anything's going to. Nothing's perfect, but I think the various layers of stainless steel screen that's in this, I think it's going to work. So I'm tickled pink with this stuff. And I'm so glad to have my roof done. You know, all my gutters are now protected, and I think it's gonna really help me. So, gutter guard. I found installation of this stuff to be pretty easy. Now, what I had to do is my gutters are pinched in pretty tight. So I would just take and I mean, not a lot, just a little bit so it gives when I put it in. You gotta straighten out this screen on the end. You know, it comes from the factory in a box, so you gotta straighten that out. Each side, because you want good connection from the one screen to the other. And then it's just a matter of putting it in underneath my drip edge and sliding it, and it goes in there like that. Pretty easy, really. So I'm tickled pink with this stuff. I think the leaves are gonna come down and just gonna flow right off, but the water will go in, so it's perfect. I like to put screws in them so they don't blow away. I got just a little piece of aluminum I bent. I made it 4 inches, the gutter's 5. I'm gonna put that on the end. Now this is to keep birds out, because the birds like to get in my gutters and make a nest. Why? I have no idea. But that's what they like to do. Okay, now the birds can't get in. I'm hoping anyways. All done. I have to do that next. My shop down there. Yeah, that side's done. That side's done. All that's done. Yeah. Heck, I'm happy with it. If you like this video, please subscribe. It really helps the algorithm and makes an old man feel better.
So make sure and subscribe and hit some of them thumbs up. If you think I'm an idiot, hit the thumbs down. That's cool too. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.